Make the right decision when you are getting your next Apple Watch. Apple for the first time came with the Watch Ultra, but Watch Series 8 is no less competitive when it comes to comparison with the Apple Watch Ultra. There are a couple of things you need to notice while getting any of these devices. What is your preference? Make a list. Both watches have their pros and cons. The big difference when it comes to Apple Watch Ultra and Series 8 are the new batteries. The Apple Watch Ultra will give you a battery that can last about 36 hours or at max 60 hours on a low power mode. But when it comes to Watch Series 8, it can only give you 18 hours of battery backup and up to 36 hours on low power mode. So the one who needs a bigger battery, you should go with the Ultra. But let me tell you something important. The Watch Ultra is a big watch with a 49mm dial, but Watch Series 8 comes with two options, 41mm and 45mm. So if you have a small wrist, then go with the Watch Series 8. And the most noticeable thing in Watch Ultra is its new orange action button, which you can use to trigger any feature based on your need. Apple Watch Ultra is the most rugged watch out there from Apple, but Watch Series 8 with the curved design cannot give you that protection. Watch Ultra comes with a titanium build, whereas the Watch Series 8 comes with a stainless steel. The build is completely different, where Watch Ultra and Watch Series 8 parts their way. Watch Ultra comes with its new flatter display, where it comes handy when you get the contact with the hard surface. You guys will be surprised to see Watch Ultra comes with twice the brightness compared to the Watch Series 8. The Watch Ultra comes with 2000 nits peak brightness, whereas Watch Series 8 only comes with 1000 nits peak brightness. If you're a swimmer, then close your eyes and get the Watch Ultra, because Apple gave a couple of new features for divers, and you can go up to 100 meter, but Watch Series 8 only give you 50 meter support and no other features for divers. There are minor improvements when it comes to internals. Both watches share the same S8 chipset, but Watch Ultra comes with dual GPS, which gives you a more accurate location than the Watch Series 8, because Watch Series 8 comes with a single band GPS, and the Watch Ultra dual band can come handy when you are in a situation where your other watches don't work. Watch Ultra will have your back. If you love different colors on watch, then you have only one choice when it comes to Watch Ultra, only titanium build. But Watch Series comes with 4 colors: Midnight, Starlight, Silver, and Product Red. And Watch Series 8 shares the same shape and design from its predecessor, so if you like the design of Watch Series 7, then you're good to go with the Watch Series 8. And all of these things come down to one thing, the price. And this is where the Series 8 shine. Watch Ultra will cost you around $799, but the Watch Series 8 is a half of its price at $399. A useful feature you can get on the Watch Ultra is its new night mode, where if you turn it on, it goes red. But this feature is not available in the Watch Series 8. Both watches come with a crash detection whenever you get into that type of a situation. Hope everyone should be safe and will never use this feature. If you are up for a tougher build and okay with the flatter display and have a big wrist to manage the Watch Ultra, then Watch Ultra could be an option for you. But if you are the one who don't hike or bike, then Watch Series 8 come with the almost same features, just lack few. But all comes down to the price, where you can avail one or another based on your budget. And if you want to know more about the Watch Ultra features, you can check this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.